Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Vega helmet. First, gather your essential cleaning supplies, including a mild, pH-neutral soap, 2 soft microfiber cloths, and a small, soft bristled brush. Next, carefully disassemble the helmet by removing the visor and any detachable inner comfort lining. This allows for thorough cleaning of each component. Finally, take a moment to inspect the helmet's shell for any visible dirt, debris, or potential damage before you begin the cleaning process. For the helmet's exterior, dampen one of your soft cloths with water and add just a few drops of mild soap. Gently wipe down the entire shell, ensuring you avoid any harsh scrubbing or abrasive materials that could scratch the finish. Pay special attention to the vents and any intricate crevices, using your small, soft bristled brush to dislodge stubborn dirt effectively. Rinse the cloth frequently to keep it clean as you work. Now let's tackle the interior and visor. Hand wash the removable inner lining using a gentle, non-abrasive soap and lukewarm water. Rinse thoroughly and gently squeeze out excess water. For the visor, use a clean microfiber cloth and a specialized helmet or optical cleaner, wiping gently to avoid scratches. It is crucial to allow all interior parts to air dry completely for several hours, or even overnight, before proceeding. Once all components are completely dry, it is time for reassembly. Carefully reattach the inner comfort lining, ensuring it is properly seated. Then, reinstall the clean visor, making sure its mechanism operates smoothly. You might apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant to the visor's pivot points for optimal function. Finally, store your freshly cleaned Vega helmet in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.